Alright, January 27th, 2025, CN Hayes here. 12:15, coming to you from Ladysmith, Wisconsin with another video lined up. Southbound arrive at the 3311 Elite. Let's check them out. Let's lean back and get them. $29.17 in the second slot. Bear table so far, but I sometimes might doubt that. M356. M356, 41 of the 26th. Started at Symington Yard in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. This will do work at Point Yard to Stevens Point and then continue on south to Markham Yard in Homewood, Illinois. There was a Sioux Line rack in the mix and one of the new Ferromex racks as well. Must be my second one already. The Chicago Northwestern one that still survives. Quite a surprise. I know I got an HO scale variant of that Chicago Northwestern rack as a Walther's kit. Surviving SP rack coming up. Boy, that sure has seen better days though. Pretty rusty on the roof. Here's the last of 356 Union Pacific mounted on TTGX 716 430. Not bad at all. And that will do it for the M356 41 of the 26th. And we'll do it for the C6M rebuild of the 3311 and the ES44AC of the 2917. We'll do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great afternoon. Have a great week. See you next time. I hope I will see you down the main line. CN Hayes out.